The following video footage is the only original color recording of Soviet IS-2 heavy tanks in World War II. It was never published before. We came across this footage in a private video collection recorded by Colonel Alexander Zabin, who was a surgeon in the US Army during World War II. Colonel Zabin recorded this footage in Prague in 1945, and his relatives kindly gave us permission to use the video. Also thanks for the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum for digitizing the footage. The IS-2 was a late war Soviet heavy tank developed as a replacement of the KV series. It was the only Allied tank in World War II which had somewhat reliable protection against the late war high-velocity German guns mounted on the Panther and Tiger tanks. It used the 122mm D25 cannon, which was chosen because it was a great dual-purpose gun with its big high-explosive shells. These heavy tanks were mainly used to spearhead attacks and assault fortified positions. The IS-2 was a rare vehicle, as its production only lasted for about a year, from February 1944 until May 1945, when production was switched to the IS-3 heavy tank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and in the comments let me know if there's any interesting events or vehicles you'd like to see.